High ping can significantly affect your gaming experience in CS2. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you reduce your ping for a smoother gameplay experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, as it typically offers lower latency and more reliable speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching CS2, close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online activities that can slow down your connection. Step 3. Change server region. In the game settings, select a server region that is closest to your physical location. This can help reduce the distance data has to travel by lowering your ping. Step 4. Optimize network settings. Adjust your router settings for optimal performance. This may include enabling quality of service S to prioritize gaming traffic or updating your router S firmware to the latest version. Step 5. Use a VPN. If your ISP is throttling your connection, consider using a VPN that has low latency servers. This can sometimes help improve your ping by providing a more direct route to the game servers. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping while playing CS2. Enjoy a smoother gaming experience.